I need to ask you something important. How many times have you started something online to make money? You were fully committed to it. You kept telling yourself that this is the one, and you told your family and your friends about this opportunity and possibility you had. But then out of the blue, you watch it vanish, and there you are, right back at the beginning. Again, watching people your age making the money you want to make, living your dream life, while you're still wondering if this next YouTube video on the internet you see is gonna fix your situation somehow. Could crypto be the answer? Or drop shipping, SMMA, clipping, TikTok shop? These are all golden opportunities, and you are probably familiar with them. And the thing is, the list doesn't stop, it continues to go on. You probably know the list of business models better than I do at this point. But with drop shipping, as you know, you need a lot of marketing experience to even survive. With clipping, don't get me wrong, it is a great business model and you can make some money, but you are capped to how much revenue you can really make. And then don't even get me started with crypto, because you need to be willing to lose a lot of money which you are not ready for. The thing is though, making money online isn't really about how hard you work. It has nothing to do with your intelligence or your location or whether you've been lucky. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal exactly what it is. And when I do, everything you've tried and failed at will start to make so much more sense. So that is all I need from you today. Stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, and I will show you exactly how to flip this switch and exit this horrible cycle that you might be in. But before I do, why should you even listen to me? My name is Val, and I started making money online when I was 14 years old. It was 2020, COVID had just hit, school was shut, I was super bored, and I was stuck in Ireland in government housing, feeling so bored and so useless. And I just decided to try and figure out a way to do something and ideally make money online. And then I did the exact same thing that you are doing, and I searched up how to make money online, and I came across a YouTuber named Biaheza who was talking about Instagram theme pages. Now, when I first heard about it, I was skeptical. It sounded too good to be true, but I had like nothing else going on. I was bored. I had no classes, so I figured I would try it anyway. And to be honest with you, it was so much harder than I thought it would be. It absolutely sucked. For the first 30 days, I made zero. I made nothing. It sucked. But over time it picked up, and by the time I was 15, I had a month where I made over $10,000 in a single month. Not $10,000 per month, but I had it once in a single month. And I know what you're thinking. That's when the success story starts and all of a sudden I become a millionaire by 18 and I reach financial freedom. No, in reality, I realized I had no idea how I actually did it. I had no real skills, I had nothing to show for it, and I had no way of sustaining $10,000 a month. Hence why, after that $10,000 month, the month after, I barely made anything. So I instantly collapsed. Within a couple of months, I went from making over $10,000 in a single month to now having to work 12-hour days just to barely make $1,000 a month. And I was like, what the hell did I do wrong? But not making money wasn't the worst part. For months, I'd come home from school and work until like 2 in the morning, and then I would still have nothing to show for it. And I just started to feel like a retard in front of my family, in front of my friends, because I was boasting about all this money I was making. And all of a sudden it's instant switch and life sucks. And I started to ask myself, am I really gonna be doing this for the next 10, 20 years? Am I gonna continue to barely scrape by? This was around the time where my only mentor, the only person I knew that was making money online and was successful, decided to quit his marketing agency to go all in on crypto. When you're a 15-year-old kid and the only person you really look up to in business tells you that you can do this thing that is less time, faster money, and it is a way out from the current reality you're facing, crypto started to look like the answer. I followed my mentor, I shut down everything, and I put all the money I had into crypto. Long story short, I ended up losing over $10,000 in 72 hours. And because of that whole situation within crypto, I just started doubting and questioning if entrepreneurship and business was for me, and if it was even worth me putting my time in here anymore. It got to a point where I just felt like an idiot, because now I was doing terrible in school and I had to put all my focus on that again. And as a byproduct, I ended up drifting for like 2 years in business. I had pretty much just quit. In the span of a couple of years, I ended up pushing trolleys at a supermarket for minimum wage. I saved a bunch of money and I went solo traveling when I was 18 because I wanted to have some free will. I came back when I ran out of money and realized that I was going to be going to university, and I started a funfair job because I needed to save money again, and my coworkers were addicted to drugs and they were going out drinking on the weekdays. By this this point, I was so convinced that business and online money and all that stuff just wasn't for me. That was until a friend of mine asked me something that changed everything for me. He said, "You figured out business before. You did what most of us can't do. Why did you stop?" The reality is, I knew the answer. I was scared of starting over and losing everything again and feeling like an idiot again. I didn't want to feel like a loser anymore. But for the first time in a year, I asked myself, why did I fail? I didn't fail because I was incapable. I failed because everything I tried was attached to this outcome of a money goal, but never things that would help me get better at skills, things that would ultimately make me more money in the long run. Everything was a short-term bag, like crypto. And every single time there would be an algorithm change or a market change, I was left with nothing again, and I had to start from zero. And that realization is exactly what led me to something called appointment setting. I think I know what some of you are thinking, and maybe you've heard of appointment setting before, but the version I'm going to show you is very different. Because the appointment setting most people get kind of pulled into is this bottom of the barrel, chasing cold leads for offers that don't convert, getting paid scraps, and burning out in 3 months. Like, it is trench work. I'm talking about the appointment setting where people work with a creator online and they make like $3,000 to $16,000 a month. And obviously they send DMs, they talk to warm leads on Instagram, and then they book them in for a sales call, and they get paid commission for everyone that buys. It's not this retarded agency where you're working with 100 other people. You're working with one client. And the main thing that stood out for me is that it is a real skill. Sales. The kind of thing that wouldn't screw me over again when the algorithm would change or the market would crash or crypto would collapse. It's why in under 3 months of learning it properly, I went from working that minimum wage job at a fun fair with drug addicts to making over $6,000 per month online. I started to get my health back, I got my friends back, my social life, and I even got a girlfriend at some point. And then at 4 in the morning on a Tuesday, in November, I decided I was done with university. I dropped out, I packed my bags, and I moved to Marbella with nothing but this self-belief I had developed that I found the thing. And that's exactly why I built Setters Academy, because I don't want you being retarded and wasting 3 or 4 years of your life like I did, going from business model to watching these random guys on the internet getting burnt, losing money, losing faith in yourself, when the answer is so much more simple than any of that. I want to give you the exact same system that has changed everything for me and has since then changed everything for over 100 people who are sitting exactly where you are right now. I hate the word system, by the way, there's just no better way to put it, but it's the same system that helped Nick go from failing at 4 different business models in university to making over $16,000 per month and gaining the ability to drop out of university and also provide for his family. And it also helped Clay, who was working retail at Marks & Spencer's. If you know what that is, he was making £13 an hour at a part-time job, barely being able to fund his education, all the way to now making $6,000 per month and traveling the world. I've personally gone to Montenegro with him, and now he's still able to go and travel. Let me be specific about who this is actually for, because this is not for most people. If you're a young guy between 18 and 25 and you're working a job you can't stand, or you are grinding through a degree that just feels pointless, you've definitely either tried to make money online and it hasn't worked, or you've been too scared to properly start, so you've just continuously neglected it. But if you actually look deep inside, you know that you are capable of doing so much more than your current situation is showing you. If you're anything like I used to be, you probably lay awake at night wondering and thinking about how many days you let slip away and how you're not getting any closer to your goals. You probably scroll on your phone while you're in the bathroom, and then you see these guys that are your age doing what they want, living the life they want, and then you're thinking, well, why can't I do this as well? Why can't I live how they're living? The reality is they are not different and they are not smarter. I recently went to a mastermind for 3 days. Everybody in the room was doing at least $50,000 to $700,000 per month. A lot of them were retarded. They were not more intelligent than you. They were not smarter than the people I used to work at the supermarket with. They just had more self-belief. They had a better vehicle. And more importantly, they found someone who actually showed them how to use it properly. Now, most people think the hard part of appointment setting is actually learning the skill itself. And even though in Setters Academy, we train you from wherever you are right now, whether you're working a job in university or you have zero experience and connections, the hard part is knowing that when you've actually got the skill, you've got nowhere to use it that actually pays you money. And every single time setters go through training, they learn the mechanics, they start cold outreaching, they end up grinding for months with cold DMs, burning out, going back to square one, Because finding a real offer and finding a good offer is why 90% of appointment setters genuinely fail. So how do we at Setters Academy remove that problem? How do we guarantee that you can actually make money with this? We train you on a personalized roadmap built around your schedule and your starting point right now. We do one-on-one calls, we have 3 group calls per week, daily accountability, a rating system, and when your coach says that you're ready, you get access to our unique setter marketplace. This is where we only let offers in that are doing at least $40,000 per month, and they get to pick you. So you don't have to do cold outreach, you don't have months of applications going nowhere, and there is no gap between being trained and you earning money. And we back all of that up with a guarantee nobody else in this space is willing to offer. If you go through the training, you attend the calls, you work through the modules, and you don't make your full investment back within 120 days, every coach on our team will continue to train and support you, and you will get unlimited one-on-one support until you make that full investment back. We will literally stay with you until you get the result you want. Sebastian came to us after jumping between a bunch of different business models like growth operation, clipping, the same stuff that a lot of you guys are stuck in right now. But he realized he wasn't missing a better business model, he was missing the foundational skill that made every model work. 4 months in, he was making $8,000 a month as a setter. He then transitioned into growth operation, and now he runs his own growth operation agency, making $30,000 a month at 20. Teddy started off reselling shoes. Before he joined us, he joined a closing course and he got scammed by some random guy on the internet. And then 4 months into working with us, he was making over $12,000 a month as a setter. He is now running his own sales management agency. In his best month, he made over $45,000 in less than 30 days. He is an LSE. He is still a full-time university student. Ryan was 25 and full-time in construction. He could only really work the evenings properly, and he was skeptical that it would even work with this time. We built his roadmap and we helped him get to a point where he could balance work and setting. And after about 2 months, he got to $4,000 a month on top of his job, eventually quit, and now he's lived in places like Barcelona and Thailand, and he's scaled to over $20,000 per month since. Josh was 17 when he joined, also in full-time construction, made just under $8,000 in his first 60 days with setting, quit his job, and is now making $25,000 a month living between Marbella and Dubai. Jolien was a university student in London who had never made any money online in his life, yet he made over $3,000 in his first 20 days when he genuinely thought it would take months to see results. These are not lucky outliers, by the way. These are what consistent execution looks like when the training, the placement, the support, the team are all working together, which is exactly what we deliver at Setters Academy. That is what we built. So if you're watching this and thinking, I know sales is the real skill, I know appointment setting makes sense as a starting point, I can see the results in front of me, click the link below and book a call with our team right now. But if you want to understand why this works when everything else hasn't, keep watching, because this is the most important thing I can tell you. The real reason you can't make consistent money online isn't your work ethic or your intelligence or your schedule. It's that every single business model you've tried entirely depends on things you can't control. Crypto does not reward your effort, it rewards the timing of the market. And I know this because, like I said, I lost over $10,000 in 3 days at 16. Chasing the same thing you are. Dropshipping and TikTok Shop are you betting on things like the algorithm, ad costs, suppliers, none of which you can influence, by the way. Agency asks you to close business owners on retainers when you've never even made a sale in your life and you don't even know how to start. Every single time, you are handed an outcome to chase with a foundation that makes it reachable. And that foundation is the ability to have a conversation with a stranger, understand what they want, and move them towards a decision. This is what appointment setting builds, and everything else, closing, management, running your own offer, gets stacked on top once you already have it. So here's how the system actually works when you join. From day one, you book an introduction call with me personally, as well as getting an 120-day roadmap around your actual life. You get 3 core milestone one-on-ones with your head coach. You get 3 group calls per week on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, alongside a bi-weekly call that I run in the community. You get introductory modules on everything you need to know from A to Z on how to become a 10K per month setter, and so much more. You get Loom reviews twice per week, so you can do 20 role plays before you take the marketplace test and get feedback on those role plays. Alongside that, you get weekly feedback and action items, and when you pass that test, you get access to the marketplace where recruiters come to you. You also get private community access and a free network you get access to of over 100 people in Setters Academy. Some are where you are now, some are going where you want to be, and some have already achieved where you want to go. Like I said, you also get access to the marketplace. We are the only marketplace in the industry. Nobody really does placement. We're the only people to do it because we're able to train you good enough where we can put our reputation on the line for you. You get our $11.2 million setting systems and frameworks from the previous management agency I ran in the past, which, by the way, I shut down to go all in on the coaching company, but overall we did $11.2 million in client revenue tracked over the span of a year. And then you also get access to an AI role player and a bunch of other stuff like group calls, guest speakers, and so on and so forth. I could go on all day. You don't have to do cold outreach, and you don't have months of applications going nowhere. We help you every step of the way from A to Z, and the cool thing as well that we don't really mention a lot is a lot of people that recruit from Setters Academy are previous Setters Academy students who are now managers or operators or closers or offer owners doing tens of thousands of dollars per month. So where does this leave you right now? To be honest with you, there are only 3 paths in front of you. The first path is you do nothing and you close this video and you go back to whatever you were doing, which I don't even want to know about. And 6 months from now, you are in the exact same position you're in today, same job, same lectures, same frustration, and that same quiet voice in the back of your head telling you that you should have made it by now. The harsh reality of that path is that time is the only thing you can't get back. Every month you spend not building a real skill is a month further away from the life you want to live. And the longer you sit on it, the heavier that cost becomes. The second path is you try and you figure this out on your own. You research appointment setting, you watch free content from YouTube, cold outreach your way onto whatever offer will take you, and try to build it without proper training, without placement, and without anyone genuinely invested whether you get a result or not. And maybe it works, but the honest truth is that you've already been down a version of that road with other business models. You've already tried to figure it out without the right structure and the right support. You already know how that ends. The third path is you click the link, you book a call with our team, you tell us where you are and what's been holding you back, and we show you exactly what your first 120 days looks like with the right training, the right placement, and the right people behind you. There is no pressure. It is just a conversation where you make a decision from clarity instead of fear, and I might even be the one taking that call with you. And if at the end of the call it doesn't feel right, you walk away with nothing lost. But if it does feel right, if something in you recognizes that this is actually what you've been looking for, and soon you'll be looking at a number in your account that answers the question you've been sitting with for years. Click the link, book the call. I will talk to you soon.